Hello everyone, I'm Janer Raval from Luminosity Software Limited, and in today's video we'll be setting up an automated email notification system using Power Automate and SharePoint. If you or your team frequently works with shared folders, staying informed about new file uploads can be a real challenge. Important documents might get missed, and if you are relying on manual updates or constant checking, it can lead to inefficiencies. This automation will save you time and effort by automatically notifying the team or individual managers whenever a new file is uploaded to a specific SharePoint folder, whether it's a project report, client contract, or any other important file. You will receive an instant alert as soon as it is uploaded. So let's get started.
So let's create an automated cloud flow using Power Automate that sends an email notification whenever new file is uploaded to a specific SharePoint folder. This automation is useful for teams that want to stay on top of new document uploads without manually checking folders. With this setup, you will receive instant email alerts every time a new file is added, so nothing gets missed. Before we jump into creating the flow, let's understand what an automated cloud flow is. An automated cloud flow triggers automatically when a specific event occurs. In this case, the event will be a new file upload in a SharePoint folder. These flows run in the background, saving you time by automating routine tasks like notifications, reminders, or approvals. The trigger is the event that kicks off the flow, and the action will be sending an email notification to the manager or team, including the file's details. First, we need to set up the folder in the SharePoint where we'll be monitoring for uploads. So, open your SharePoint site, and my site is tutorial. And in the document section, we'll create a new folder, or we can also use an existing folder. For now, let's create a folder named uploads in our documents library. Make sure the folder is ready, as we'll configure the flow to track uploads here. Now let's move on to Power Automate and create the flow to monitor this SharePoint folder. Now after clicking on create, choose automated cloud flow and name your flow new file upload notification. And now we'll go to the next step. We'll skip this for now. Now let's add a trigger, and when we click on it, we'll write when a file is created in a folder. We'll choose this, and now we'll configure the trigger to point to our SharePoint folder. In our case, our site address, we've changed it to expenses Jane, as you can see here, and we'll choose expenses Jane as our site address, and our folder ID will be uploads. It'll be in the shared document list, which is uploads. Now the flow will trigger whenever a new file is added to this folder. So let's add an action to send an email whenever new file is uploaded. Click on new step and search for send an email. We'll be using Gmail, so let's search for Gmail directly, and here you can see we chose reply to email. We'll delete this using right click, and we'll add an action again. We'll choose Gmail and we'll choose send email. Now we'll send it to my work email, that is chennai@luminositysoft.co.uk, and in the advanced parameters we'll write our subject as new file uploaded. Now in our body we'll write hello team, a new file has been uploaded to the SharePoint folder. File name will be, so we'll use this command, we'll use a slash here and we'll insert a dynamic content and we'll choose file name here, and we'll also add the file path in our mail so that it'll be easier for the team to access it. We'll use dynamic path here as well, and we'll choose file path, and yes, we'll also write please review it ASAP. We've created the flow for now, and sometimes this action ensures that the email notification will be sent immediately with the file name and location in the email body. The dynamic content we have added make sure the email will adapt to any file uploaded. Sometimes you may not want to receive instant notifications for every single upload. Instead, you can accumulate the uploads and get summary emails at specific intervals using a delay step. So we'll click on add an action and we'll search for delay. Now we'll set the delay time. We'll set a delay time of an hour, and you can choose it depending on your preference. And our flow has been successfully created. We'll save our flow, and now we'll go to our SharePoint site and we'll choose uploads. We'll upload a document here. We'll upload a Word document here. They'll say hey, and we'll save it. Here you can see a document has been uploaded, and soon enough our flow will get triggered soon. Now once the flow has been set up, we can see that a mail has been sent which states that a file has been uploaded to the SharePoint folder. The file name is document and the file path is here. Let's click on the file path. It will redirect us to the document file that we created in the SharePoint folder. So this is how we've created a new Power Automate flow. This automation ensures that you will stay updated on new uploads without needing to manually monitor folders. You can customize the recipient and the email message based on your needs to make the process even more useful. So thank you.
Thanks for watching the video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And for more such content, please subscribe to Luminosity Software Limited. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.